Hey everyone, if you're part of multiple Slack workspaces and you need to step out of one, I've got you covered. So leaving a workspace is super simple and only takes a few taps or clicks depending on whether you're on mobile or desktop. So if you're on desktop, simply click on your workspace name in the top left corner, then simply scroll down to sign out of workspace, or it can also be labeled as leave workspace. And once you do that, you then have to simply follow the prompts. But if you're on mobile, simply tap on the workspace icon, then go to settings and select leave workspace. So once you confirm, you won't get notifications or see that workspace in your Slack list anymore. So it's a super quick way to declutter your Slack if you're no longer active in a team. But remember, you can always rejoin later if you need to. So that's simply how to leave a workspace on Slack. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.